playground where everyone can explore and experiment there without the fear of breaking anything. By Srinivas Iyengar Ramanujan. Good morning, one and all. The Honorable Principal Guruji, respected Vice Principal Guruji, and my above beloved teachers and my dear friends. I am Sinchan Oran, studying in 7th Standard A section. Today, I am standing before you all to represent my speech on the great legendary Indian mathematician, that is Srinivas Ramanujan, whose birth anniversary we celebrate as National Mathematics Day on 22nd December every year throughout the India since 2012. We celebrate this occasion aiming at spreading the awareness about the importance of mathematics and the contributions made by Srinivas Ramanujan in the field of mathematics. Srinivas Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, to a poor Brahmin family during the British rule. His father was Kuppaswamy Iyengar and his mother Komalatham. Until 5th standard, Ramanujan was a normal student. Since 6th standard, his genius mind reflected in his studies, especially in maths. He had spent his childhood days in a great difficulty and poverty. Although his mastermind was awesome. He used to solve 9th and 10th standard maths problems when he was in 6th standard. The teachers were surprising to see his ability solving in those problems. Do you know, when he was in high school, he used to prepare the school timetable. He was perfectly matching all the subjects, which teachers were unable to do it. The teachers took 1 week to set a timetable, but he used to complete it within 10 minutes. So, the teachers gave the responsibility of preparing school timetable to Ramanujan. At the age of 12, he was able to solve the trigonometry which we usually learn in 10th standard. But he did it in 6th standard. He spent lot of time in his school library to solve these mathematical problems. Then he started writing his formulas on his own, and he wrote them on walls, rocks, and even on the sand due to his poverty, because in those days the paper was very costly. He wrote some journals on his formulas and sent it to England to his higher studies. Later he was introduced to H.G. Hardy, who was the famous mathematician of England. Later on they become best friends because of his geniusness. Here, anybody know which is the famous number of Ramanujan? Yes, it is 1729. 1729 is also known as Ramanujan-Hardy number. When the great Indian mathematician Ramanujan was in England, he once was very little. Professor H.G. Hardy went to see Ramanujan in hospital. He stated to Ramanujan that 1729 is very dull number. But in contemporary, Ramanujan said that it is a very interesting number. 1729 is the smallest number which can be written in the form of sum of two cubes of two numbers in two ways. That is, 1729 is equals to 9 cube plus 10 cube equals to 1 cube plus 12 cube. Here 1 cube equals to 1 and 12 cube equals to 1728. So 1728 plus 1 equals to 1729. And 9 cube equals to 729 and 10 cube equals to 1000. So 10 cube plus 9 cube equals to 1729. From this onwards, 1729 is known as Ramanujan Hardy number. Obviously, he is a great Indian mathematician. Based on his formulas and theories, the studies on black hole of the sun are going on now also. So the India is lucky to have a great person like him. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. Have a great day. Dhanyavad.